السلام عليكم جميعا، أهلا بكم في قناة التعلم بتدريج مع عاطف. Welcome to YouTube channel Step by Step Learning. هذا الدرس العاشر من سلسلة اللغة الإنجليزية الأساسية. هيا لنبدأ بالجملات الأولى. هذا كتاب. هذا بالإنجليش This is T H I S this I S is. شو كتاب بالإنجليش؟ A book. A book. This is a book. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هؤلاء كتب. هؤلاء اسم إشارة للجمع القريب بالإنجليش THESE. These are كتب books. These are books. هؤلاء كتب. These are books. هذا قلم. هذا بالإنجليش This is قلم. A pen. A pen. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هؤلاء أقلام. هؤلاء These are أقلام pens. These are pens. These are pens. هذه شنطة. هذه بالإنجليش This is شنطة. A bag. This is a bag. This is a bag. هؤلاء شنطات. هؤلاء These are شنطات bags. These are bags. هذا السرير. هذا This is سرير. A bed. هذا سرير. This is a bed. هؤلاء سرر. شو هؤلاء بالإنجليش؟ These are سرر beds. Beds. These are beds. These are beds. هذه خزانة. هذه This is خزانة. A cupboard. This is a cupboard. This is a cupboard. هؤلاء خزانات. هؤلاء بالإنجليش These are خزانات. CUPBOARDS cupboards. These are cupboards. These are cupboards. هذا مفتاح. هذا This is مفتاح. A key. This is a key. This is a key. هؤلاء مفاتيح. هؤلاء These are مفاتيح. KEYS keys. These are keys. These are keys. هذا كرسي. هذا بالإنجليش This is kursi, a chair. This is a chair. هذا كرسي. This is a chair. هؤلاء كراسي. هؤلاء, these are كراسي. Chairs. These are chairs. These are chairs. هذه نجمة. هذه بالإنجليش. This is نجمة, a star. This is a star. This is a star. This is a star. هؤلاء نجوم. هؤلاء بالإنجليش. These are نجوم, stars. These are stars. هذه سيارة. This is a car. This is a car. هؤلاء سيارات. هؤلاء بالإنجليش. These are سيارات, cars. These are cars. These are cars. اقرأ واحفظ معي. هذا كتاب. This is a book. This is a book. هؤلاء كتب. These are books. These are books. هذا قلم. This is a pen. This is a pen. هؤلاء أقلام. These are pens. These are pens. هذه شنطة. This is a bag. This is a bag. هؤلاء شنطات. These are bags. These are bags. هذا سرير. This is a bed. This is a bed. هؤلاء سرر. These are beds. These are beds. هذه خزانة. This is a cupboard. This is a cupboard. هؤلاء خزانات. These are cupboards. These are cupboards. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. This is a key. هؤلاء مفاتيح. These are keys. These are keys. هذا كرسي. This is a chair. This is a chair. هؤلاء كراسي. These are chairs. These are chairs. هذه نجمة. This is a star. This is a star. هؤلاء نجوم. These are stars. These are stars. هذه سيارة. This is a car. This is a car. هؤلاء سيارات. These are cars. درس اليوم خلاص. شكرا.